What does it take to build a dynasty? Years of hard work? Dedication? Absolutely. But perhaps the most important ingredient in creating a legacy is passion, and the Parris family has it in spades. Through years of sharing their passion for RVing with their friends and family, the Parris family has made a positive impact on thousands, but the most important imprint has been left on the next generation of Parrises, who get to share the passion of the Parrises before them by following in their footsteps.
We're at Little Sahara Sand Dunes. We are camping out at Sand Mountain, watching some fun side-by-sides and stuff. People that I've been coming here with are some of the greatest people in my life, and they're the best people I know. Being out here is the most amazing feeling in the world. It's my absolute favorite place to be. Having everyone camping all in a big circle, it's like the good old days being out here. I haven't missed a Easter weekend at Sand Mountain in probably 7 or 8 years, and it would be really weird if I wasn't here.
I've been coming out here since I was little. There's a lot of great places to ride in Utah, but just because I've been coming here for so long with my friends and family, it's just kind of a special place that we've always ridden at. It's just an experience that we don't get anywhere else. Getting this amount of people in this kind of group is a difficult task with everyone's busy lives, so it's just a time for everyone to relax and have a good time and hang out. Being able to spend time with friends and family. The riding obviously is my favorite place to ride. Just getting away from all the busy life back home. It's kind of like a tradition that we've started with our friends and family, so it's just a place that we enjoy, and we'll definitely pass it on to the children.
What other activity could so intrinsically become tradition? There's nothing like this time that you'll spend together, and there's nothing better than knowing that you can leave a lasting impression on not only your friends and family, but for generations to come. Every time the Parris boys set up camp, they can feel that connection to their family.
Every now and then I'll kind of get that feeling like, oh, they used to do this. I wish they would still come out and do it as much. Maybe I can kind of push them to do it a little bit more. So we kind of just grew up razor riding, dirt bike riding, camping since we were high school or earlier than that. So it's just been a blast with this good group of friends. Having the luxury of an RV, it just makes it so much more convenient to have everything built in, ready to go up there. You just spark up your 3-burner stove top, and then you basically cook like it is at home. Definitely love selling trailers, and I love just the RV life. I love camping out of them. It just makes your life so much easier. And it's nice getting away from social media and just having a good social time with everybody.
This is my first weekend home for a while, so I've been home, so I've been gone overseas for a while, but it just makes me happy to be home with my friends and family for the first time and to get to enjoy this. It isn't like this when we go home, because everybody works and you have all the drama of life, but here you just let it all go. And to step away from everyday normal life is a necessity. It's better than going to the mall or going to catch a movie. Usually on Saturday nights, about 30 minutes prior to sunset, we do a train. We go up to the top of the mountain, watch sunset down, and just enjoy ourselves and talk, take photos, and just take photos of the camp too, because you can see a great view of the valley, and the sunset's phenomenal. You're just here for 3 days, and you live in the moment. You worry about the other stuff later. It just drifts away. It's a freedom.
And with that freedom comes a feeling almost impossible to describe, but it's one that the Parris children plan on sharing with their friends and family for the rest of their lives. For At Your Leisure, I'm Jim Kelly.